In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix Microsoft Word error. Windows cannot print due to a problem with the current setup in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, please proceed to the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'll be able to bring up a small window called Run and type for regedit. It is regedit and click on the OK button to continue. If you would receive a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So first, proceed to HK current user, double tapped, and under the current user, you need to find for software. Once you find it, double tapped again, and from that, please proceed to the Microsoft Word, double tapped, and under the Microsoft Word, you need to scroll down and find for Windows NT. Once you find it, double tapped again, and there you'll get to see current version. Double tapped, and here, please proceed to Windows. So select the Windows, and then make a right click, proceed to Permissions, and from that you'd be able to see this kind of window, which is permissions for your Windows. Please select for all application packages and make sure that it is in full control. It is checked as well as read checked. Click on apply and then click on OK. Once done, select again the Windows, make a right click, proceed to the permissions again, and you need to add everyone as the group or usernames to have access for this Windows. So in my case, I have it already, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then click on add, click on advanced, go and find now. And from here, under the search results, scroll down and find for everyone. Click on OK. Click on OK. And eventually it will be placed here. Check the full control as well as the read. Click on apply and then click on OK. Once you're good, close the path that is being opened as well as this registry and moved on to the second solution. So before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So the second and last solution that you can do is that press Windows key and R key again, and this time you need to type for services.msc. This one. It is services.msc and click on the OK button to continue. And then there here, you need to open this one. Okay. You would be able to open this one. Select any of the services. Type P in your keyboard so that you would be navigated easily to the service starting with letter P. Find for print spooler. Make a right click and click on properties. If in your case it is in set in automatic already, stop the service. Once stopped, click on OK, and then you need to start the service again. So navigate here in this area, start the service. Okay. Once you've started, you need to make a right click, go with the properties again, ensure that it is being set as the automatic, and ensure that the service status is running. Click on apply and then click on OK. Close the window and check if the problem has been fixed. I'm sure it will be resolved. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.